Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to insert a new Excel sheet using VBA code, and also how can we create a new Excel sheet in UiPath using VBA code. So let's start. How can we do that thing? So simply what we are doing, simply we are open a UiPath Studio blank process and then take a Excel application scope activity from the activity panel, and after that we are take a invoke VBA code. So activity, so click on the folder and create a Excel file. You can see our Excel file name is sheet1. Okay, and also we are creating another text file and write the code in that text file. So what I am doing, I am just this and start from the function. So I am use sub, and here I am use the object name sheet, insert bracket open close, and end the subject function. So I am use and sub and write the code between of that thing. So what I am doing, I am just creating new sheet. So I am just use the sheets dot add, and if you are using the space, then it work for the before your sheet, and if you are write on here comma, then it work to create the sheet after your sheet. Like and just to provide the example, like if you are using the space, then you can create your Excel sheet before the sheet 1, and if you are use the comma, then you can create your Excel sheet after sheet 1. Okay, so what I am using here, I am use add, and then also you can use the before and before, you can type the before and use that thing. So I'm use the before equal to, and then I'm use sheets and provide the sheet name. So I'm use the sheet name is sheet 1, sorry, bracket 1. Okay, and then save it and copy the object name. So I'm just copy that exact name. Control C, close this, and pass the path of your code on here. So I'm just pass the path of my code. Okay, and paste the object on here, save it and close this Excel file and run it and check it create a new Excel sheet before the sheet 1 or not. So program is running, so I'm just close this. So you can see the process is successfully running. So I'm just go inside the and open the Excel file. Then you can see we have created sheet 2 before the sheet 1. And if we are do something on here, like if we are use the, if we are type on here after and save it and run it again, then it will create a Excel sheet after the sheet 1. So I'm just run this. So you can see process is running and it's done. So if I am open the Excel file, then you can see we got another Excel sheet after the sheet 3. Okay, then after that what we are doing, you can use also space and comma for the same thing. And if you want to create 2 and 3 sheet, like you can see we have a 3 excel 3 sheet, then we need to insert the 3 more sheet. Then what we are doing, simply we are provide a comma here and provide the quantity, how many sheet you need to move insert. So just save it and close and run it again. So you can see process is running. And okay, okay, we got a syntax error, so I'm just close it. So I'm got a syntax error. So for that case, what I am doing, we need to go inside here and open this, and then we no need to use the after. We simply provide a comma, then sheet, save it and provide this comma. Okay, save it, close and run it again and check it's working or not. So process is running. Okay, process is running successfully. So go inside the file and you can see they are create the 2 more file, because I'm just provide the 2 file on here. So that's it. If you need to more about the VBA, how can we use VBA in Excel sheet, and which type activity we can do use the VBA code, please let me know. And please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video and comment if you have any query. So please comment your query in comment box. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel.